In this video, we'll be learning how to use S3 from AWS services. So I'll go to S3. So we'll create a bucket right now. I don't want to change any default settings. I'll only add the bucket name, my new bucket number one. Let me create the bucket right now. We're clicking create bucket. So bucket is been created. Inside this bucket, what we are going to do, we will create folder. Let me give a folder name as images and I'll create the folder. So now you can see inside the buckets, we have my new bucket number one. Inside that bucket, we have a folder, and inside this folder, we can upload objects. So let us upload an object. Upload, like add files, click on add files, and I'll go I'll go add it. Let me add this one, laser, and I'll upload it. So object has been added. Let us close it. Let us click on this object. Let us view this object. And we were able to see the object internally through this open link. But whether we were able to access it through object URL, we have to check it. So copy this link and open it in another tab. Let us check it. So access denied. So whenever you are using S3 bucket to store your object, so we will be using this object URL for our websites or any applications that we are building. So this should be accessible to anyone. So how to make this accessible to anyone? By editing the permissions of the bucket. Let us go to buckets. Let us click on the bucket. We have permissions over there. Click on permissions. So here block public access option is there. So we have to uncheck. We have to edit this one. Let us uncheck all the access, block all public access. Let us uncheck it and let us save the changes. Give confirm over there. So once we have given this confirm, come down and let us just check this one. Check this again from the object URL. It is not yet sorted. So one more option that we have to do is we have to give the object ownership option. Let us click on edit and you have to enable ACL, access control lists. Okay, so I acknowledge, I acknowledge and save the changes. Yes, we have given permission for that as well. Let us just check it. It is still not opening. One more thing that we have to do is go to buckets, click on the folder, click on actions, make public using ACL. Make public. Yes. Once we made this public, Let us just check it again. Yes. So you were able to access the object. So this is how you will be creating an object. Let us just check one more option, whether do we were able to download the object or not. Click on that object, click on download. Yes, if you want to download it, download it. Yeah, we were successfully able to download the object. So in this part, what do we have understood, what and all we have done? In the buckets, we have created a bucket. Inside the bucket, we have created a folder, and inside that folder we have uploaded an object named blazor.jpj, and we have made it publicly accessible through the object url by enabling the permissions, set of permissions like block all public access. We are unblocking that public access, and object ownership. So this two permissions we have enabled it, and we have made the folder publicly make public using ACL by clicking on that folder. Yes, done. So now let us understand versioning. For example, I have this Blazor, right? Let us open this in a new tab. So this is the object that we have uploaded in the bucket. Now I'm going to add one more object. Before that, we have to enable an option that is bucket versioning. Let us go to buckets, click on buckets. We have properties, click on properties. Here, versioning. What is versioning? Versioning means keeping multiple variants of object in the same bucket. Means let us just edit it and let us enable that bucket versioning first. Let us save the changes. Yeah. Now for our bucket, we have enabled a bucket versioning property. Okay. Let us add, let us just check the version properties. Click on properties. Let us click on this object and click on versions now. And we have enabled the bucket versioning. Let us see. So this is the current version of our object. Let us do one thing. We will add one more image with the same name, blazor.jpg. So as of now, you can see the image in the URL. This is a blue Blazor. Let us add one more object in the same directory, images directory. Let us upload one more Blazor, add files. Let us go to that. I'll add a black Blazor, okay? Black Blazor, open it. Yes, upload it. Done. Let us close it. And if you just go to the buckets, if you go to the images, and if you click on the Blazor, and if you open the object URL, permission is denied. Let us go and enable the permission. Let us go to the permissions and enable everyone public access. We have to enable it, edit it, read, read, just acknowledge it and give save changes. Done. Let us close it. Now if we just go and check that images, blazor.jpg, you can see a new version. So the previous version is this, If I just refresh this one, you will be having the new new Blazor over there. So where we can check the versions of that object, you can click on this versions, and you can see this current version is this. This is the previous version. If you want to check the previous version, you can click on the previous version, and you can click on that object URL, copy the object URL, you can paste it, and you can see the old one. This is the version ID uh, null, and this is the new one. So old one and new one. So what is the advantage of this buckets? Basically, we can have versions. For example, you have a e-commerce website. For your e-commerce website, you want to update, you want to remove the old one and you want to update the new one, you can just simply uh, use buckets, and you can update it. For example, if you want to go back to your previous version, you can click on this one. Let us understand S3 permissions and bucket policy for an IAM user. Okay, so before creating an IAM user, I would like to create one more bucket. I'll just leave it as empty as of now. Let us create the bucket. My new bucket number two. Let us just create the bucket, and we will leave this bucket as it is, and we will create an IAM user by navigating to IAM services. So we will click on IAM. We will create an user, and we will create a policy. We will see that. So let us click on users. Let us click on create a user. We'll create an S3 user. Okay. So we will provide him user access. We will give him a management console, and with custom password, let him log in. I'll just create a password, a very simple password, pass it 123. So user must create a new password at next to sign in. Not required. Let it be. Let us not give that permission, and let us click on next. Yeah. So this is attaching the policy, all those things. So as of now, we are not going to do any attachment of policy or anything to the user. First, we will be focusing on creating the user. Let us click on create the user. Yeah, user got created, and you can see that password. Password is very simple. Pass it 123. The username is S3 user. Now just simply copy this console sign in URL, and let us close this one. Let us go to return to user list, and let us open it in new incognito tab. We'll make the new user sign in to our console. So the username was S3 user, and we know the password. Password is very simple. Password 3. Let us do the sign in. Yes, he will have the console access, but he cannot do any activity. He cannot do any activity. Let us see whether he was able to see the S3 bucket or not. S3 buckets, whether he was able to see or not. And you can see the user is S3 user that we have created right now through the IAM user. Let us click on this general purpose buckets, and you can see there is no accessibility given to him. So to give this to allow him to see the buckets that has been created by the root user, we have to give we have to attach policy to the to this S3 user. Let us see how to attach policy and everything. Let us go to IAM console. In this IAM console, we have policies. Click on policies. Now we are going to create a new policy and we are going to attach that policy to the user. Let us click on create policy, new, choose the service. You can choose the service. Yes, we have to choose the service. Choose S3 and click on list. So list all my bucket is the permission that we supposed to give to that user. Let us click on list all my buckets option in the S3 service and let us click on next and let us give the policy name. The policy name is S3 user custom policy. So this is our wish. So giving permission for a new user to use S3 services. Let us come down and let us click on create policy. Yeah, we have created the policy. Yes, if you want to see that policy, you can click on custom managed and you can see the new user S3 user custom policy. S3 user custom policy. Now, we have to attach this policy to our user. How do we attach this policy to our user? You have to go to this user and click on that user, and here we can add permissions to the user. Click on add permissions, permission policy, add permission, and here you have to attach the policies. Attach policies and choose filter by custom managed. The new policy that we have attached is S3 user custom policy. Click on next and add the permission. So once we have added the permission, and we can see that this is the S3 user that we have created through IAM. Now let us just refresh the page and he will have the accessibility for all the buckets. But do he get, or do that user get to download the objects, or there is no sufficient permission for him? You can see here he need list bucket also to see all the objects inside the bucket. Okay, so how do we just add this permission in the policy? Let us go to the root user, and inside the root user let us click on add permissions. Let us go to this S3 user, click on this policy, click on edit. You can see once you click on edit, you can add new statement. No need new statement. Let us choose our S3 service, and inside that S3 service, what is the next thing that we need? We need list bucket. There is no permission for this S3 user, so let us give that from the root user. Let us click on list bucket, and you can see action is added as list bucket. Let us go let us save the policy. Let us scroll down, click on next and click on save changes. So once we have given this permission, let us go to the new user that we have created, that is S3 user. Let us refresh the page, and he will have the authority to see the objects now. You can see, and he can just open the object as well. Yeah. Now he is having the authority to see the object. Now, do we as do has one more permission? Let us just check it. Images. Let us see do we has this permission to add or upload any object. Let us just go add any file. Okay, no problem. Let us go and add this image strategic. Let us click on open. Let us click on upload. So upload is failing. You can see. For more information, you can click on diagnose with Amazon Q. This is an AI chatbot that you can just see what we like. We can fix the error to use to fix the error. So what is the error is? There is no put object permission given to this user. Okay, to this S3 user we didn't give any put object permission for him. Let us give that permission also. How to give that? Go to IAM policy, click on edit. Let us choose our service S3, and you can just type put object. So let us click on this one, put object, and scroll down, click on next, and save changes. Done. Once we do this, and if you go and check it, now let us just try to upload an object right now in the S3 user. Okay, the S3 user, let us try to upload the object, add the files, strategic, click on it, click on upload, and he got the permission to upload the object. Cool. Yeah, awesome. Now, do we ask permission to get the object? Do we ask the permission to get the object? No. You are able to see access denied. So get object action is not given to this user. Which user? S3 S3 user, right? We have to give one more option, that is get object permission. Okay. And let us go and give the get object permission in the root user account. Who is the root user? Venkatesh G here. Okay, let us click on edit option. We have list object, sorry, list bucket, put object. Now, one more thing, that is get object. Get object. Let us choose this one and come down, click on next, click on save changes. Cool. Now, let us go to our S3 user and let us refresh it. Yeah, click on download and you will be able to download the image. You will be able to download the image. Understood, everyone? So this is how you will be giving permissions. Yeah, let us do one thing. This one, number two bucket. So you can upload here as well, here also as well. So let us add the same file. Let us add the strategic one, downloaded one. Let us upload it. Let us close it. Close the close the things, and you can see this bucket number two is having an object named strategic one. Let us open it. Access denied. You have to give permissions for it. Nothing. Access control list. permission you have to give it. So so you don't have permission to get object ACL. So you have to enable that permission also there. So that we will do it in the root user only. So as of now, you got it right. You have understood how to enable permission for a newly created user, and how we can give permissions to him to do, add, uh, delete, and get the object, right? To delete the object, he will not have the permission. Let us see. Do he has the permission to delete the object? See, for example, you want to delete this one. Will he be able to delete it? Let us just try this. As S3 user, I'm trying this. Okay. Let us give this. He will not have this permission. So to give this permission, you have to go and edit this one, and you have to give the permission to delete the object. Delete object. Delete object. Once you give it and come down, click on next and save changes. Now I'll just refresh it. I'll go to images. I'll choose this blazer now. I'll delete this one. Let us click on delete objects. And S3 user is successfully deleted the object. How we have done this? We have created a policy and we have attached it to that respective user. Now, my question is, yeah, cool. We are giving permission to that S3 user through IAM policy. How it is happening is, he is going to all the buckets and he is manipulating the data, right? For example, you are working in a team. Okay, so this is a separate project, this is a separate project, and there are multiple projects going on in our company. Let us imagine like this. So for example, you are working in this, so the root user want to give permission only for this bucket. Okay, only for the bucket number 1 to this S3 user. But what is happening here? He is able to go to this bucket also, and he is able to manipulate the data. So this should not happen. How we can tackle this is using bucket policy. Now let us understand what is bucket policy by doing it. Okay, let us go to this one. So to understand the bucket policy, what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit this one, edit this policy, and I'm going to remove all this permission except list buckets. Okay, except list buckets, and I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to save it. As a root user, I have done this. Now as a S3 user, you will be able to only see the buckets. Now you can see, you will be able to see only the buckets. Okay, inside that, you'll not be able to see any objects. You can see to the bucket number 2 also, you'll not be able to see any objects. Now to give permission only for this bucket, we have to go to the root user account and we have to enable that permission over there. Okay, let us do that. How we can do? Let us go to the S3 console of the root user account. In this one, we want to give permission only for this new my new bucket number 1. Okay, let us go there, click on it. Here permissions are there, click on permissions. Here we have something called bucket policy. We have to edit this bucket policy. Let us add a new statement, and here this SID is not required. Okay, and in this principle, we want to give who has the right to use this bucket. Who has the right to use this bucket, that we have to give it. Let us give rights for this user. For which user? New IAM user that we have created. Let us go to users and user ARN string. S3 users ARN string that you have to copy it and paste it in the bucket policy. Bucket policy that you are attaching it to your my bucket number one. Okay, let us just give and copy and paste the principal over there and come down. Here you have set of actions. So let us add actions over here. Choose the service S3. Let us, what and all we have to give, list bucket and get object, and we have to give delete object, and we have to give get object, delete object, put object. Choose this one. Done. So for which bucket that resource you have to give it. The for which bucket you want to make it, we have to give it to this bucket. So how you can give it? That bucket ARN string you have to copy it and you have to paste it over here. So not only for this bucket you are going to give, that is for all the contents inside it, like all the directories, folders, everything inside it. Let us save these changes and let us go to the S3 user that we have created. Now, as an S3 user, he will not have authority for this new bucket number 2. Okay, insufficient permissions to list objects. But for my new bucket number 1, he will have all the permissions, like he can see and he can open it and he can upload, he can delete all those things, he can see, he can do it. Let us just check it. Yeah, so just nothing, just give a permission over there. Okay, we'll give that permission, no problem. But he can see the, he can upload, he can download all those things, he can do. Let us go there to the images folder. Let us just add on upload a file, like any blazor file. Upload it, and he successfully uploaded the but object. And if you want to open and check it, he can open and check it also. And if you want to download it, he can download it as well, because we have given the get object permission. So he can put, he can get, and he can also delete the object. Let us just check it. Let us just delete the strategic png. Let us see this one. Let's delete this one. Yes, now successfully deleted. Now if we go to that images folder, we'll have only blazor.jpg. Let me show you how to delete the buckets and how to uh, delete the IAM user as well. You go and you can click on users and you can click on delete user and give the confirmation over there. That's all. You can delete the user. Done. User deleted, and you can go to policies and you can check for your custom managed policy and you can delete the policy also. Delete the policy. What is the policy name? S3 user custom policy. Copy it and paste it. Successful. Now, how to delete the buckets? You have to go to that particular bucket. You have to first empty the objects. Let us delete the objects. permanently delete, paste the string and delete the objects. Now you can easily delete this bucket. Yes, we have deleted that bucket. Now to delete this bucket, you have to click on this one. You have to delete the folder first. Delete the folder first. Yeah. So deleted the folder and we have empty bucket. Delete the empty bucket now. Sorry. Go to the bucket, click on the bucket, delete the bucket. Bucket is not empty. Bucket is empty row. Bucket is empty only, right? Yeah. Let us delete the bucket. Okay. So let us just follow the steps. Bucket is empty actually. Empty bucket. Let us just do the empty bucket first. Paste the thing. No worries. Sometimes it happens. Now click on exit. Now it is easy to delete the bucket. Yeah. Thank you.